Welcome to Hackaholic, it's Kumar Shubham. In this video, I will show you how you can control LED using Bluetooth module HC05. So let's get started. The stuff we need for this is, first one is Arduino UNO or Nano, Bluetooth module HC05, one LED, jumper wires and breadboard. I will show you the connection from Arduino UNO or Nano to Bluetooth module HC05. So this is your Arduino and this is your HC05 Bluetooth module. So as you can see, the pin number 2 will connect to the RX, pin number 3 will connect to the TX, and the VCC will connect to the 5 volt on Arduino, and the ground will connect to the ground in Arduino. This is your connection. And if you want to connect an LED, just go to pin number 13, connect 13 and the other one to ground. This will be your connection. I'll show you how it will look like. So it will look like something this. When you connect your Bluetooth HC05 module, it will start flickering. As you can see, it's blinking. This is the Arduino, you can see, and this is the Bluetooth module, and here is the LED that's connected to 13 and ground, and connect as same as in the diagram I have shown you. Yes. Now open Arduino software. You can download it from Arduino website, official website. First, what you have to do, select the port. Go to Tools, Port, and you will see one port if you connected via USB. And then you have to select the board, which type of board you are using, Nano or UNO or other board. I am using UNO, so I have selected the board UNO. I'll show you the program is very simple. So as you can see, I have included software serial.h. Has defined TX pin is 3 as shown in the diagram, RX2, LED pin is 13, and then software serial, Bluetooth serial TXD RXD. This is just a name, you can give any name. I have just connected, given the name Bluetooth serial. I have also defined the character C. Now this void setup, this will run only once when the program get started. So I have put the baud rate of our Bluetooth serial to 9600. Then I have with serial begin 9600. This is the serial of the USB and this is the Bluetooth serial. Both are different, but both I have set to baud rate of 9600. Then I have put the pin mode of LED pin to output. Now this part, void loop, it will continuously repeat. So I have did, if Bluetooth serial dot available, it means that something has put on the Bluetooth serial on baud rate 9600. If it finds okay, something data is coming, then it will read that data, Bluetooth serial dot read, and then print on this Arduino serial. And I have defined if C equal to 1, then put the LED pin to high, so it will turn on the LED, and if C equal to 0, put the LED pin to low. This is a simple code. You can also download this code from my website. I'll show you there. Now what you have to do, just compile it. Done compiling, no error, and then upload it. Okay, this part is done. Now from the Google Play Store, I'll show you that part. As you can see from my phone, first we'll pair the Bluetooth. Settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see, if you scan, I can see HC05, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you are paired. Now go to Google Play Store and then type Bluetooth terminal app, and you will see Bluetooth terminal HC05. I find it because you can see incoming and outgoing both connection in here. You will see that. Now we have paired with our Bluetooth. Now click open, and you can see here is the list of devices that has been paired. It will show you the list of devices. So as you can see, SC05 is there. So I will select and it say connected to SC05. Okay. So now here I can type any command and it will turn on my LED. So I'll show you both things at a time. Okay, here you go. So I'm typing 1. Okay, now I send it. As you can see, when I send it, LED is on. Okay, let's turn it off. 0 and then send. Okay, off. It's working. I think you guys have liked this video, and I will upload all my connection diagram and the code to my website hackaholic.info. Thanks for watching. Thank you.